In this video, I'm going to unbox a Magic Keyboard from Apple. MRP of this product is 9500 and I got it on offer for 9000 rupees from Apple Store. This is the product I am talking about. It's the regular Magic Keyboard. In Magic Keyboard, we have another variant which has got the numeric pad along with the Touch ID button. This is the regular Magic Keyboard without numeric keypad. Hey everyone, you're watching me Vinayaka on VGS World. Let us unbox this product and check what we have got inside the box. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.